No need for a long intro. I'm going to do a quick speed clean. I'm going to do about an hour's worth of blitzing the house because everything is looking minging, and I'm just going to literally do as many tasks as I can be asked with, basically. So let's go. I just need to take these throws off because they're minging and replace them with some clean ones. This was a clean one I got out. So let's put that on. It's going to be like the speediest speed clean ever. Oh, the dog's choking. And then we will wash these ones. Got your food case here, Cosmo. These flowers are a bit dead. Oh, and they've run out of water, so let's empty these. Sweep the cat hair off the dining table. And I have just noticed that these chairs are disgusting. So let's give them some more cat hair on here than my fucking cat's got on its back. Right, chair's done. These tulips are pissing me off. I don't know why they're drooping. Maybe I need to cut them slightly. Do they sit better like that? Oh, they do actually. That's better. Amount of cat hair on this. Probably should have done this outside, to be fair, but it's too late now. We've started it. I'm sorry, but how have I got so much cat hair on me? I think they're from the chairs that I've just cleaned. That is ridiculous. But I actually can't be asked to sort that out, so I'm just going to crack on. This is full to the brim. I think that needs emptying. Some of you may have seen that previously I got sent a blender by Amzchef, and they very kindly sent me their juicer now, so I'm going to unbox it and I'm going to make a juice for my lunch. I mean, I've never made a juice before, so I have no idea what I'm doing, but I'm sure it'll be easy like the last blender was. Comes with instructions and some more recipes. You checking it out, let us know. So here is obviously, it's got a reverse mode, it's got on and off, you just twist it round to what setting you want it on. This is where you put your stuff. Flick the lid. So that just pops in like that. It all slots in and you have to sort of put that into there for it all to be secure. And then it will mix all your stuff. So I'm just going to bung all the fruit I've got in here in the top. Bit of peach, banana. Few strawberries. Get the heads off. Got some raspberries. Then we got some grapes. Let's try it. Let's put the lid on, that will help. These are in the right place. Oh, open that. Turn that bad boy off. So you've got rid of everything. Yeah. And we shut the lid, stop it all dripping out. Fill up my glass of juice. That looks brilliant. Let's do a taste test. That is so nice. Yeah, so if you fancy a juice or anything like that, it's super healthy. You can bung all your healthy bits in. You can also make like a green juice, a carrot juice, literally bung vegetables, fruits, whatever you want, bung it in there. But this one was actually amazing, so I would definitely recommend those ingredients that I've just used. I've also got a 30% discount code for you guys. Use code Georgia Devonport, which I will tag all the stuff below anyway in the description with the link to this juicer and also my discount code for anyone that forgets. I actually got this new flush mop, so I'm going to use this for the first time to clean my floors. You just click this button and the liquid comes out. I think, oh yeah. hope you've enjoyed this speed clean. I'm knackered now, even though I've only done like an hour blitz. I'm cream crackered. So that's it for today. I hope you've enjoyed the video and I look forward to seeing you next time. Bye.